Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to configure a VPN on your iPhone. Whether you're using a VPN app like NordVPN, Surfshark, or ExpressVPN, or setting up a VPN manually, this guide will walk you through it. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Next, scroll down again and select VPN and Device Management. Now, tap VPN. If your VPN provider gave you manual configuration details, tap Add VPN Configuration. Here, choose the VPN type and enter the information provided by your VPN service, such as the server address, account name, password, and any other required details. Once you've entered everything, tap Done to save the configuration. If you're using a VPN app like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or Surfshark, the setup is even easier. Simply open the VPN app and sign into your account. The app will ask for permission to add a VPN configuration to your iPhone. Tap Allow, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode if prompted. The VPN profile will automatically appear under the VPN section in your iPhone settings. And that's it. That's how you configure and use a VPN on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.